Minasan, konnichiwa. Here I am at the Takada Sake Factory in Berkeley, California, and we're about to have a sake tasting, and I'm gonna try a lot of different kinds. I'm excited. This one's taller than I am. 高いですよ. So, let's go into the museum now. Here, we can see all of the big giant barrels that they made the sake in. This is one of the pots where they would steam the rice, called a koshiki steamer. And here, all of the tools they used. Lots of tools. And here are buckets that they use for carrying water around, hot water for steaming, for cleaning, for scooping the rice. And then after they did all of that work, they put a new cedar ball out in front of the sake house. And then it would slowly turn brown, and when people knew it was brown, they'd know that that sake was ready to drink. And they have really interesting sake, like lychee flavored sake, which they don't have in Japan. Kanpai! Oishii! The lychee sake is unlike anything I've had before. It's really interesting. Well, thanks for coming to the factory. Mata ne!